friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to show you the FPS drop test in the Realme GT Neo 3T device. So right now, as you can see friends, this is a FPS drop test which I'm trying to do exactly in the Realme GT Neo 3T, which has got the Snapdragon 870 processor. So in this video, I'll try to do the drop test in the Pochinki map, and you can able to see the exact FPS how much we are getting right now. So it was able to maintain kind of close to 57, 59. The lowest I did see 56 as well, but let's find out what's happening. Right now, so 56 is the lowest value, 57, 56 is the lowest FPS count which we did see in the Realme GT Neo 3T device. Guys, so that's the FPS drop test. So I'll try to do another drop test as well. Let's find out in the second drop test how much we can actually get regarding the FPS drop. But overall, even after drop as well, still it was able to maintain pretty good FPS continuously, not bad. Maintaining the stable FPS of 56 and 59. And I'll be back with the second FPS drop test in this device. Let's see what's happening in the second FPS. Let's see if this is the second time of doing the FPS drop test, and let's observe how his FPS is dropping at this moment. And previously we did see the lowest of 56 FPS during the time of demonstration, and right now we'll try to see so what will be the lowest FPS at this point. So we did see about 59 as well right now. 59, we are getting 59.60, so which is not bad. 59, so 58 as well. So these are the FPS drop test in the Realme GT Neo 3T is. Again, I'll be back with the next FPS drop test, and I'll try to do the battery rating test as well very soon. Stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested on the battery rating test videos as well. So I'll be back with the next FPS drop test. So let's do another drop test at this moment, and let's find out what's going on regarding the FPS drop test. So this is a final FPS drop test I'm going to do on the Realme GT Neo 3T device. So let's see friends. So it looks kind of pretty good, not bad. And next time I'll try to do the drop test even in the bootcamp analog map as well. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. So right now we can see the FPS dropping up to 59 and 58 FPS, so which is not bad. So 54 we did see, so 54 FPS the lowest value. .59 FPS as well, as you can see 58. So this is a quick FPS drop test in the Realme GT Neo 3T device. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching, and instead of more updates, I'll try to be back with another plenty of FPS drop test comparison video. Soon I'll try to compare with even other smartphones as well. And meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching, until instead of more updates, and bye. Meanwhile, check out the playlist for more information as well. Until then, signing off and bye.